morning class. This is chemistry with Shemaka, and I'll be taking you orbital concept. So let's start from the definition of orbitals. What's the definition of an orbital? Now, an orbital is a region or space where there is tendency. Are you getting me now? It's a region of space where there is tendency or probability of finding electrons. It's a region of space where there is tendency or probability of finding electrons with certain amount of energy. So orbitals is a region of space where there is tendency of finding electrons with certain amount of energy. Now let's go into types of orbitals. Let's give this one like this. Alright. Now, types of orbitals. Now let's go into the types of orbitals. We have what? We have the s orbital, right? P orbital. We have the d orbital, and we have the f orbitals. So I said s orbital, p orbital, d orbital, and f orbital. What do they stand for? What do they stand for? S orbital stands for sharp orbital. Let's go. P orbital is principal. D orbital is diffuse. I don't want to waste much time. Diffuse. And f orbital is fundamental. Now I repeat, S is sharp orbital, P is principal, D is diffuse, F is fundamental. Now this S, P, D, F, these orbitals, they have what they call, they have their shapes and they have their carrying capacity. That's where we will go to now. The shapes and their carrying capacity. Shapes, then carrying capacity. They have their shapes and their carrying capacity. The shape of s orbital is what? Spherical. They are spherical. S orbitals are spherical. P orbitals are dumbbell. P orbitals are what? Dumbbell. D orbitals are double dumbbell. D orbitals are double dumbbell, and they can also be called what? Dome. They can also be called dome. Then F orbitals are complex orbitals. They are complex in shape. They are complex in what? Shape. Now let's go to their carrying capacity. The carrying capacity of s orbital is what? 2. The carrying capacity is 2. P orbital is 6. The carrying capacity of p orbital is 6. Are you seeing now? Then D, they are 10. The carrying capacity is 10. Then F, that is fundamental complex orbital, they are 14. These are 14. Their carrying capacity is 14. Now, under the types of orbitals, now all these types of orbitals, they are now split into two. They can be divided into two. There are two. After you have shared them, listen, types of orbitals, they are split into two. When you explain that P is this is this, they are split into two. That is what they call degenerate orbitals. And I'll write it here. Degenerate orbitals and indegenerate orbitals. Now let's write degenerate orbitals. The indegenerate orbitals. We have degenerate orbitals and indegenerate orbitals. Now, what is degenerate orbitals? I don't want to waste much time. Degenerate orbitals, these are orbitals that can be splitted into different parts. You splitting them into different parts, they have equal amount of what? Electrons. You get. Now, indegenerate, these are orbitals that cannot be splitted into different parts. You get. Degenerate can be split into different parts. Indegenerate cannot be split into what? Different parts. Now we have gone here and here. Now let me show you why I said they can be split into equal electrons. 6 divided by 2 will give us what? 3. 10 divided by 2 will give us 5. And 14 divided by 2 will give us what? 7. They can be split. 7 plus 7, 14. 5 plus 5, 10. 3 plus 3, 6. They can be split. So types of degenerate orbitals are what? The P, D, and what? F. So P, D, and F, these ones are degenerate orbitals. Now, indegenerate orbitals that cannot be split into equal parts are what? The S orbital. So S orbital cannot be split into different parts. S orbitals cannot be split into different parts. So let me give you one example. Let me use one example to explain it. Alright class, let me explain this one and I'll be done for today. Now the question is, which of the following is referred to a triple degenerate orbital? Alright, which of the following is referred to a triple degenerate orbital? I told you that carrying capacity of the S block is 2. I told you P block is 6. I told you D block is 10, and I also told you C block is 14. Sorry, I said C. F block is 14. Alright, now they say which of the following is referred to a triple degenerate orbital. Now let's check for that degenerate orbital. I told you degenerate orbitals are orbitals that can be splitted. Alright, S block cannot be splitted. Cancel S block. Now, alright, now S block cannot be splitted. P block can be splitted. D block can be splitted. F block can be splitted. Now let's write P block down. P, D, and F. P 6, 10, 14 divided by 2 will give us what? 3. Divided by 2 will give us 5, and divided by 2 will give us 7. Now, which is a triple degenerate orbital? I already explained based on what I taught you before. When you look at the 3, which one is triple? It's P block. So P block is a triple degenerate orbital, giving us D as the answer. So this is all I'll teach you for today. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also you can call me for special WhatsApp classes. My number is 08024072621. It's on WhatsApp, and you can also call me, and I'll try to make out time to teach you, especially on WhatsApp. See you guys when I see you guys. Bye.